This learning session is designed for returning officers in summer villages. It's a step-by-step guide on how to enter your election details onto the elections database. To begin with, you will need an MA Connect login and access to the elections database. If you do not have access, please review the learning module on getting started on the elections database and MA Connect. You will also need to have available to you the key election dates, including the candidate nomination day, election date, and official results deadline. Also have available to you the contact information on your returning officer, as well as the file location for your municipal bylaws. You will need to upload this information on your elections detail screen. So let's get started. Go to the MA Connect website. To ensure you always have easy access to this site, we suggest you save it under Favorites. Log in with your username and password, then push the blue Login button. You are now on the MA Connect dashboard. Click on the Elections Database icon. You will be redirected to your Summer Village dashboard. The dashboard contains some important functions. First, if you need assistance with the Elections Database, you can click the Contact Us icon. A pop-up window will appear. So if you require help with your municipal election, you can contact Municipal Affairs through email or telephone. For the Senate election or referendum, you can contact Elections Alberta. If you want to review a copy of the Elections Database User Manual or download all the election forms, you can hit the link User Manual or Forms. Once you click on the link, a pop-up will appear. There are links for you to download a copy of the user manual or download all the municipal election forms in a zip file. Your election information is stored in three main tabs: Upcoming Election, Municipal Election History, and Senate Election and Referendum. The tabs are displayed in white and blue. The white tab indicates the page you are currently on. In this case, you are on Upcoming Elections. Right now, there are no upcoming elections. When you click the tab for Municipal Election History, you'll get a full listing of all your municipal elections since 2004. You can view any of these elections listed by clicking on the magnifying glass. One important step you should undertake prior to creating your election is to check whether the information on your current council is correct. To do this, you would click on the text Current Elected Officials. You would see a list of your current council sorted by name in alphabetical order. There are sorters at the end of each heading. So perhaps if you want to sort your council by listing your mayor first, you can click on the heading Positions on Council. Your current council is now sorted by mayor first. All the other headers work the same way. As we collect information on your current council, we would appreciate if you would take the time to check the names to make sure we have listed them properly. If any changes are required, please contact us by email. You can do this easily by clicking on the Contact Us button. The contact information pop-up will appear. Click on the text under the Municipal Affairs email address. You can now write an email to us indicating what the issue is with your current council. Now we have reviewed the functionality of your dashboard. Let's create a municipal election. First, click the green button, New Election. A pop-up screen will appear. Click that your election type is a summer village election. Choose the council position up for election. Select Councillor. Now fill in your key dates. That is your nomination close date, election date, and official results deadline. Recheck your information to make sure it is correct. If it appears to be okay, then push the Create button. If not, then push Cancel and correct it. You will then receive a message that the information is validating and the server is saving it. You will now be redirected to the Elections Details screen. The tabs on top of the screen shows the different types of data entry screens. As you can see, we're currently on the Election Details screen. All other tabs are grayed out, indicating that you're currently locked out. All mandatory data fields are shown in red and must be completed. The uploading of your municipal bylaw is optional. So let's complete the data entry screen for the election details. Once you completed your data entry, recheck it again to make sure it is correct, then push the Save button. You'll receive a pop-up screen indicating that your data has been saved successfully. You can also see that the electoral tab is no longer grayed out, and now you can enter this information. So click on this tab. The electoral system tracks whether municipal elections or by wards or at large. The screen shows only councillors are elected in summer villages. As all summer village elections are at large, you would enter yes. Once you enter yes, you would be required to enter the number of eligible voters and number of council positions. Once you enter this information and are confident that it is correct, push the Save button. The electoral details pop-up window will appear. Click Yes if the data looks correct, else pick No to correct it. A pop-up screen will appear indicating that this information has been saved correctly. The municipal candidates and election results tabs are still locked. In order to unlock the municipal candidate screen, you must push the Finalize Details button. Once you click this button, a pop-up screen will appear asking you to confirm these results are final and require no modifications. Click Confirm if this is correct. The municipal candidates and municipal results screen are no longer grayed out, and you can now select these tabs for data entry. We hope you find this session helpful. We'll have upcoming modules available at a later date on how to enter data on candidate nomination day and election day. If you require additional assistance on the elections database, please feel free to contact us through email or by telephone. You can also get more information on municipal elections by visiting our website. That concludes this learning session.